Hello guys, it's ITDM here, and today I'm going to show you what program to use and how to set up your first HTML. So, the program you will need to use is called Sublime Text 3. This is the program. You search it in Google or wherever, maybe Bing, who knows. You click on the first thing that appears, download Sublime Text, and here you can choose, depending on your software, here on Windows, whether you're on 32 or 64-bit. You download it wherever you want, and so from now on it's a typical installation process through a wizard, which I won't be doing because I already have the program installed. And let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so now let's go to the tutorial. This is the program. When you open it, it looks like this. This is new file. You save it with Ctrl+S and open a new window with Ctrl+N. Of course, there are other options like right click. So should we begin? So here we're right now on plain text, but we need to select HTML. These are all the codes you can type on this program. Here we are gonna type HTML, of course, and you start with exclamation mark doc type HTML. So what is this for? This is used for no, it's not used. It's a function that tells the browser what type of version of HTML it is, so it can read it and the website would function. Now, second thing is HTML. Excuse me, wrong thing. You need to type HTML. HTML, this is the start and the end. HTML ends with this. Wait, I forgot it was like that. When you have an open function and you type this symbol, it closes automatically the function. Now everything that is on the website needs to be in that, so we're gonna make some space. Okay, first we need to do head. Of course, these reminders, not reminders, these fields, when you press enter, it writes itself, so it's easier. Okay, here in head, the most important things you need to type are meta charset equals UTF-8. Okay, this is used for reading special symbols. Everything except English counts as special symbols, so yeah, you would pretty much need that everywhere. And the next thing is the title. The title is the name of the page. Like when you go to YouTube, on the little tab in the browser there is YouTube. So this is it, the title of the full document, not the title of a page or something. This is of the whole thing. Oh yeah, let me clarify. This is just for one page. You need to do other pages that are linked with other pages, but we will get to that later in the series. So, in the title, let's just say let's just say my first website. Okay, this is the head. These are the most important things you need to put in the head. There are other things you need, but they are for more complicated things. You can have a fully functioning website just with this in the head. So, what is the next thing we need to do? The next thing we need to do is have a body. So, body. In here you put everything. I mean everything you need. Every element of the website, every video, every image, every paragraph, everything. And this is the basic. And now from here on we're just gonna upgrade and upgrade what details you can put in the head, in the body, and everything. And when we're done with the basics of HTML, I'm going to start a series about CSS, as I covered in my last video. You can watch it. It's used to design the page. If it's only like that, only with HTML, the website, I'm gonna put a picture of it, how it would look like. It would be just plain white with some kind of text. I'm not gonna put much effort to the picture, probably going to be only text. You can add pictures and video, but that's it. And we're gonna upgrade from that, and at some point you will be able to make a fully functioning website that the only thing you need is a host where you can host your site. And that's it for the video right now. I just covered the basics and what is it. So I very appreciate you watching that video, and you can like and subscribe. And if you want to help me out, please give me some ideas, new ideas in the comments. And goodbye.